Like on the norms, I do 10. After that, I do this one. Ignore the oil. I made a video before. I mistakenly pushed my pants down and something showed very much, and I have to start over again. So should we clap? Oh goodness. Guys, I'm being very careful because I do not want my video to be limited by YouTube. So you see me there is this one I do, but it's like this. You guys don't know about it. I always stand here and go to here and come up one. This not only works for here, it works for your knee. So you understand? So there are so many kind of exercise I do off camera, but since you guys like watching this one, so I have my yoga mat. Okay, let's go back for the last massage and the last clapping. We need more oil. I mean another oil. Do you guys know I enjoy this thing I'm doing? Like, do you see? It's very soft to do. But this one, it hurts, and I looked like this for a long time. Ay. Like, it's just a few minutes, but I feel very tired. Let's clap last one. Enough. Guys, today I'm not strong at all, and I can't even breathe. Love you. Bye.